Want to bring your old videos and images into the modern era with stunning 4K clarity? Today, we're looking at how to do exactly that using the brand new Nero Platinum Suite 2026. Nero has been a trusted multimedia partner for 30 years, and their latest 2026 suite brings some highly anticipated AI upgrades directly to your PC. To get started, you'll use Nero Start. This is the central control center where you can manage all your downloads, activations, and tools with a single click. Once you're inside the suite, you'll find their specialized AI tools, including the newly updated Nero AI Image Upscaler. The 2026 version features a completely redesigned, easy-to-use interface and brand new local AI models, meaning you can process your upscaling projects right on your own hardware. When it comes to choosing the right version for your upscaling needs, Nero offers two main paths. If you choose the Nero Platinum subscription, which is currently on sale for $44.95 a year, you get the fully unlocked Pro version of the Nero AI Image Upscaler, plus 100 free Nero AI credits with every renewal to use on their web services. If you prefer a one-time payment, the unlimited version is available for $119, but keep in mind it only includes the basic versions of the AI tools and doesn't come with future version updates. Now, a quick heads up. We always like to share what everyday users think, but for this brand new 2026 release, we don't have external user reviews or hands-on community feedback in our database just yet. However, based on the official specs, the addition of local AI models is a massive win for anyone wanting to upscale media quickly without relying entirely on the cloud. If you want to try it out for yourself and take advantage of their current summer discount, head over to Nero.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments how your upscaling turns out.